Hello friends, welcome to the lecture. Today we will discuss the most important concept of HRM, and that is manpower planning. Manpower planning is also called human resource planning or HR planning. Let us discuss what, why and how of HR planning. What the experts say, HR planning has been defined as process by which management determines how an organization should move from its current manpower position to its desired manpower position. Suppose that Mungeri University has 100 employees at present, and next year 200 employees are required. So this is desired manpower. So how the management of Mungeri University will reach to the desired manpower position from its current manpower position? All the steps and process required to determine, to implement this, all about HR planning. Next definition, this is comprehensive definition as per DeCenzo and Robbins. HR planning is the process by which an organization ensures that it has right number and right kind of people at right place at right time, capable of effectively and efficiently completing those tasks that will help the organization achieve its overall objectives. So this definition covers each and every aspect of HR planning. Next definition is precise. As per Dessler, HR planning is the process of deciding what positions the firm will have to fill and how to fill them. So this definition focuses on what and how. Next definition says that HR planning is the process of systematically reviewing human resource requirements to ensure that all required number of employees with the required skills are available when and where they are needed. So this definition focuses on when and where HR planning is required. Next, as per Fisher, HRP is concerned with the flow of people into, through and out of an organization. So three things: into, through and out of an organization. HRP involves anticipating the need for labor and supply of labor, and then programs necessary to ensure that the organization will have the right mix of employees and skills when and where they are needed. So this Fisher definition is best definition among all the definition. Let us discuss 5 key questions in HR planning. First question, how many employees do we need in terms of number? पहला प्रश्न नंबर पर फोकस कर रहा है. This shows that quantitative aspect of HR planning. Second question, what are we looking for in terms of skills, knowledge, experience, abilities in terms of quality? Second definition focus on qualitative aspect of HR planning. Third, where do we need the employee? Location, division, department. So third focus on where. Fourth question, when do we need the employees? Immediately, in next 3 months, or in next 6 months. Last question, focus on how long do we need them? For a limited period or for a long period? So last question says that HR planning is required for a very short time period or long time period. So 5 key questions in precise are how many number, what type, where, when, and how long. After keeping all these 5 questions, we should do HR planning. There are 2 aspects of HR planning. First, quantitative aspect. Second, qualitative aspect. Quantitative aspect, it specifies the number of people required for the job. Qualitative aspect, it refers to knowledge, skills, and experience required for a job holder. For qualitative aspect, we do job analysis. If we talk about महाभारत, यदि हम महाभारत की बात करें तो महाभारत में कौरव और पांडव 2 थे मुख्य रूप से। कौरव हमेशा क्वांटिटेटिव एस्पेक्ट की बात करते थे और पांडव हमेशा क्वालिटेटिव एस्पेक्ट की बात कर रहे थे। एक बार की बात है, महाभारत की युद्ध की तैयारी के लिए कुछ सहायता के लिए कौरव और पांडव श्री कृष्ण के पास पहुँचे। कौरव की तरफ से दुर्योधन और पांडव की तरफ से अर्जुन। जब सहायता की बात हुई तो श्री कृष्ण ने कहा कि मांगो, तो पांडव ने स्वयं श्री कृष्ण भगवान को मांगा। बट दुर्योधन ने नारायणी सेना, डिवाइन आर्मी को मांगा। दुर्योधन ने क्वांटिटेटिव एस्पेक्ट पर फोकस किया, जबकि पांडव ने क्वालिटेटिव एस्पेक्ट पर फोकस किया। और हम सबको पता है कि विजय किसकी हुई, क्वालिटेटिव एस्पेक्ट की, क्योंकि एक क्वालिटी पर्सन किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का भाग्य बदल सकता है। यदि हम मुंगेर यूनिवर्सिटी की बात करें तो मुंगेर यूनिवर्सिटी को क्वांटिटेटिव एस्पेक्ट के साथ साथ क्वालिटेटिव एस्पेक्ट ऑफ HR प्लानिंग की बात करना चाहिए। जब एम्प्लॉयज़ की हायरिंग होती है तो हमें दोनों बातों का ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा ताकि मुंगेर यूनिवर्सिटी नाम रोशन कर सके, उसके एम्प्लॉय उसके लिए कुछ अच्छा कर सके। थैंक यू so much. In the next video lecture, we will discuss more about the process of HR planning and job analysis. Thank you so much.